Welcome to another final tutorial. In this one, we're diving into elements. Think of elements as the Lego bricks of your flow, the visual pieces that make up everything you see on the screen. Whether it's simple text, a button you can click, or a product list. To add elements to your canvas, click on Add Element in the top bar. You can drag and drop elements from there to place them directly into your design. Elements can be added either to the base layer or inside other elements. For example, div containers are layout elements specifically designed to hold other elements inside them. To place an element inside another element, either drag and drop it directly into the parent element, or select the parent element first, then click Add Element and choose what you want to insert. Under the Structures tab in the right sidebar, you can view all the elements on your page or pop-up, along with their proper nesting and layering. Some elements are simple, like a line of text or an icon. Others are more complex and act like pre-assembled structures. For example, elements that display repeating content, like product grids, order lists, or customer lists, are built using div containers called repeaters. When you drop a repeater-based element into your canvas, it automatically adjusts the number of tiles based on how many items exist in your connected data. You only design the first tile, and the rest will follow the same structure and style. When you select an element, the left sidebar displays 3 tabs that allow you to customize it. 1. Editor, which includes tools for managing the content and behavior of your elements, like turning optional parts on and off, editing text and icons, attaching dynamic data, setting a filter's target, defining queries for lists and grids, and much more. We'll explore many of these features in more detail throughout the upcoming tutorials. 2. Styler, which controls the appearance of the element. At the top, you can change the element's state, such as default, hovered, or disabled, to design how it should look. Below that, you'll find style settings for layout, background, typography, size, spacing, and more. The available options depend on the specific element you've selected. Any element made up of multiple smaller pieces gives you the flexibility to style each of those pieces individually. 3. Advanced settings, which provides extra control for more complex use cases. Here, you can paste in custom CSS for fine-tuned styling. You can also configure dynamic data settings like prepend, append, and fallback text, which you'll learn more about in future tutorials. This tab also lets you add conditions that control how and when elements appear, disappear, or switch to a different state. For example, you can hide a button in the top bar if the POS user has a role that shouldn't see it. Now that you know how elements work, you're one step closer to building checkout interfaces that feel uniquely yours. The next tutorials will help you keep developing your skills and bring your designs to life. And that's final.